Times are moving very, very fast in the steel industry at the moment. We're now running trials at high scale where we're running at 4,000 ton batches. So we're really starting to scale up that activity and build functional relationships across the supply chain to get that work done and implement that work. So we have two grand challenges. So we have carbon neutral iron and steel making and smart steel processing. And then underneath those two grand challenges, we have a series of themes that we want to hit. So one is around emissions utilization and management. The other one is around resource efficiency. There's another on data-driven innovation. There's one on smart, low-energy processing, and then there's one that's looking at new processes for new products. Right now, we've got what we think is a much more realistic proposition in terms of capturing those emissions. We're doubling down on saying what products can we make and how much money are they going to make. So turning our attention back to that holistic sustainability. And we're saying, right, we're going to focus on producing the highest value products we possibly can. And then we're engaging our steelmaking partners and saying, well, at the moment you sell steel, but how about you sell chemical products? Net zero chemical products, and thinking, right, how do you totally revolutionize your approach to that? So again, we started off looking at the capture technologies. We did some early scale work on looking at electrolytic conversion of CO2 into other products. Now we're doubling down on that across a range of different technologies, but working together with the chemical sector, for example, to say, what precursors do you need? Where's the real value add? What does that mean to the decarbonisation of your sector? Where can steel derive the most value? How can we take that forward?